Do you think you know everything about the iPhone 15 Pro Max? Think again. In today's video, we are going to unveil its hidden features that are guaranteed to blow your mind. So grab your popcorn and let's dive in. Hey there, tech enthusiasts. I'm your host, and today I'm going to walk you through some of the most exciting hidden features that make the iPhone 15 Pro Max a true game changer. First and foremost, let's talk about design. The iPhone 15 Pro Max boasts a stunning 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display that is not only visually captivating, but also offers an enhanced viewing experience like never before. Get ready to be mesmerized by its vivid colors, sharp contrasts, and true blacks. Now let me introduce you to the iPhone 15 Pro Max's revolutionary camera system. With its triple lens setup, you can capture professional-grade photos and videos with ease, say goodbye to blurry shots or poor lighting. This camera is a game-changer, with features like night mode, portrait mode, and even a mind-blowing 12x optical zoom that will take your photography skills to new heights. But wait, there's more. Did you know the iPhone 15 Pro Max comes equipped with Face ID recognition? Say goodbye to passcodes and hello to secure and convenient unlocking with just a glance. And don't worry, it's not just a pretty face. This device is also water-resistant, making it the perfect companion for your adventurous lifestyle. One of the most exciting hidden features of the iPhone 15 Pro Max is its lightning-fast charging capability. With the included charger, you can juice up your battery to 50% in just 30 minutes. Never again will you have to worry about a drained battery before a long day ahead. In addition to all these incredible features, the iPhone 15 Pro Max offers a seamless user experience with its A15 Bionic chip, ultra-fast internet connectivity, and an extensive range of apps specifically designed to enhance your productivity, entertainment, and overall quality of life. So whether you're a professional photographer, a technology enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates the finest things in life, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is truly a device that delivers beyond your expectations. Thank you for joining me today on this journey through the hidden features of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more remarkable tech content. Until next time, stay curious, stay innovative.